Alright, we're going to do a quick video here on how to make a bulletin board announcement in Carousel. This is the old version of Carousel. So I'm going to click here. And for our particular setup, we have 4 regions. This announcement will go in one of those regions. So as soon as this loads up, we'll check our zone, make sure that we are in main messages. And we'll do a new bulletin. And then this is going to be for community events. We have a template, no logo. We'll use that one. So this is where my title goes. So for this particular announcement, I'm just going to take Veterans of Foreign Wars post. We're going to copy that, paste that in, get rid of that trailing space. Let's do next meeting on January. Let me see if I can fit all this. This is getting kind of big here. Copy. Second block here. I'll paste that in. And if you want to see how it looks, we'll hit the refresh button here. Hit that button, and I'll show you how it would look on the channel. That's kind of tough to read. So let's see if we can edit that text down a little bit. So I can just close that window out. Children. Post meets every third Sunday of the month. New members are welcome to join. I might break this into 2 announcements. So let's get rid of the every Friday night. Let's see how that looks. It's a little bit better. So say we want to go with that one. I will go now and we'll continue. And this announcement ends on the 19th. So we'll start it today and we'll go to the 19th at midnight. And if this was something that was going to be a perpetual, I'd just check off here. Click my finish, click OK. Now that's in the system. And I'm going to go ahead and make another announcement. Write no logo. And then yeah, we'll take the same information there. I'm just giving the main phone number. I don't need to give the adjuncts number. Okay. And then our heading is over here. Gotta think about like the old classifieds where you paid by the letter. You gotta try to keep this short so it's easy to read. We'll refresh that. Just quick spell check. Looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and save this image. So I'm gonna send this off as an email to the person who sent the announcement in so that they can proof it. Save my image as. Just throw my desktop for now and I'll rename that later. Okay, so that one's good. Same deal. Hit continue. This one's going to run. You know what? I'm just going to run this for the quarter. So I'll run it through the 1st of March. Very good. And if we want to see what announcements we have, if we go to our main menu and we go to our manage bulletins, active bulletins, you can see those are the 2 that I posted. So the next meeting, if we wanted to edit that, we click the little button right here. I can go and look at it full screen. I'll save this real quick so I can come back to that. I'll post that. There's a spell check option here. Takes a second. And it would pop up in here. Oh, my F crashed. Let's see. Why is it taking so long? No, it's not secure. On my local networks doesn't matter. Normally it works. Okay, so that's the basics of it.